Hi everyone, this is Gurija Nagaswamy. Welcome to our full-time faculty orientation Canvas page. Um, Myself, Fran Lukacek, the chair of the Factal Advisory Committee, and Stephanie Scordia, the professional learning coordinator, put together this course. Those of you who don't know me, I'm a professor of English in the English department. And I've been here for a long time, 30 some years. I started as an adjunct in 1992, and now I'm a full professor. It's been wonderful to be at the college for so long, though things have changed steadily. And I never foresaw this pandemic and us just being remote for so long. In any case, we will try to do the best we can, and hopefully we can meet via Zoom synchronously when we have those sessions. But welcome to the college. Welcome to be part of our great community of practitioners, as we would like to call ourselves. So we are looking forward to meeting you, and I hope you will find this orientation course program useful. And feel free to post your questions, comments, so we also can learn from this. So once again, welcome to the college, and we're looking forward to working with you. Bye. Thank you.